Hello again. So today we are going to be looking at learning target number 6. I can define lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere, and illustrate how matter flows between them. So you should be looking at this diagram in your note packet. This should be a pretty short little notes video here, and then we'll move on to some other work. So looking at these notes here, we know what an atmosphere is. Okay, we know what an atmosphere is. Atmosphere is just the layers of gases surrounding the Earth. I think gases only has one S, but I'm sorry. So the layers of gases surrounding the Earth. Biosphere, bio means life. So biosphere is all the living aspects or all the living parts of Earth's system. Oh, that word cuts off just a little bit there. So all the living parts of Earth's system. Hydrosphere, we know that the prefix hydro means water, so this is water in all its forms. Water in all forms. And lithosphere is the hardest one. Lithosphere is the upper Earth sphere, so it's our rocks, our minerals, our soil. So everything that's like on the Earth that's not living. Rocks, our minerals, and our soil. Okay? And we're going to talk about how each of these spheres can interrelate. So let's first start with atmosphere and biosphere. So think about photosynthesis. It gives off CO2. So we're taking biosphere, and our plants are giving off CO2 in the atmosphere. So here we have an arrow pointing this way. That photosynthesis gives off O2. As an example. Okay, so that's the biosphere giving back to the atmosphere. However, if we go in the other direction, we can again use photosynthesis and say photosynthesis takes in CO2. Between the biosphere and the hydrosphere, we know that we need water to live. We take in water for metabolism, for the breakdown of things. We take in water from for our metabolism for the biosphere so that we can live. But we also give water back to the hydrosphere through waste products. Okay, so urine does have water in it. We put water back into the hydrosphere through waste. The hydrosphere can connect to the lithosphere because nutrients leach into the water from the soil. Nutrients transfer from water to soil. And vice versa. Soil can leach into the water and let things back into the water. And then we also have the atmosphere coming down to the lithosphere through the form of rain. So rain components impact soil. Okay, so all of these different spheres, all of these things in our world interact with one another. And we're going to talk about that more as we talk about the water cycle. So make sure you tune into our next video about the water cycle. Make sure you subscribe and hit like below. Okay, bye.